Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ellen if you aren't already a subscriber. Today I'm just going to be doing a tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now. So it is very, it's quite heavy, it's quite colourful on the eyes. I know it's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, but it's just nice to have like a play around with products really. And I really enjoy doing like bright, colourful makeup. I'm really sorry you can hear my dog barking in the background. He's not happy because Daniel's cutting the grass, so as soon as I film this intro I'm going to go and call my little pooch because I love him. But yeah, so today's video is just going to be a tutorial on this look. Just let me know in the comment section down below what kind of videos you want to see, what kind of tutorials you guys want to see. If you want to see a really heavy glam, if you want to see neutral, just let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, so please give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. So guys, I'm going to start off with the Plouise eye base. This is just the shade Rumour, which is the original one. I think it's shade 2 or whatever. So I'm just going to start off with that first, and I'm just going to apply that all over the eye as a primer, just so that the eyeshadow has something to grab onto. And I'm just going to use my MAC 242 brush for that, which looks just like this. Don't know if that's focusing or not, but it's just a really thin brush. Excuse mine, mine's dirty. Oopsies. I am also going to use this to carve out underneath the brow, as well as using it all over the lid as a primer. I've not filled my brows in yet, so I'm going to do that after all the eyeshadow. Sometimes I'll do my brows first, sometimes I'll do them afterwards. It just depends really. If I'm going to go a bit heavier on the eye, I like to do them after I've done the eyeshadow, because that way I can see how much I need to add. Because I feel like if you've done a really strong eye, you need to go for a really light and natural brow. That's just me, that's not a rule in makeup, that's just my personal preference, so that's what I tend to do. Which is why if I'm going to do something a bit stronger on the eye, I will leave the brows until afterwards. So, as you can see, I've now primed my eyes, so it's time to start with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with the Jaclyn Morphe palette, the big one that she brought out. And I'm going to start off with this shade right here. I believe it's called Jada. No, this palette doesn't have the shade on the bottom, but I believe this one's called Jada. It's a really nice colour. So I'm just going to start off with that one first. You want to be starting, you don't really want to be starting on the outside, because then you're going to get most of the eyeshadow there and it's a bit more difficult to blend. So I always start right in the middle, and then I can distribute it a lot better, just blend it down to either side. And onto the outer corner, you just get a softer, more diffused look. Excess that's on my brush and work on the outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit more on my brush as well, just to build it up. You can see I'm as I'm blending it on the outer corner, I'm bringing it more inwards rather than outwards, because I've just put quite a bit more product on the brush. I didn't put loads on, but I did pick up more product, so you want to blend that more in, because I don't want to have it going really far out. So I'm now going to go in with MAC's Chrome Yellow. This is just a palette that I created myself. You can see that's what it looks like. So I just created this palette myself. But yeah, I'm going to go in with Chrome Yellow, and I'm going to go in with that on this brush right here. This is the way the 224. It's still quite small, but it's a little bit fluffy, as you can see. So I'm just going to use that with Chrome Yellow just to blend that colour out a little bit. Again, starting more in the middle. Which is called Electric Eel. And then before I add any more eyeshadow, actual eyeshadow to it and make it any darker, I'm going to go in with this Chromaline from MAC. It's in the shade, what is it, sorry, High Def Cyan? I don't know how to pronounce it. Sort of looks like one of their paint pots, but it is a pro product, so you can't get it in normal stores. You have to go to a pro store for it. And I'm just going to use this brush from Strobe, which is a 142. It's like a little tiny mini puffing brush. Good for concealer as well, this. I like to use it for, I've got a few different colours of these, I like to use it for these kinds of things. And I'm just going to start applying that to the centre of the lid and buff it out. And I'm just going to go back in with the Electric Eel from MAC. Just to go over that. Just so there's no harsh lines. Everything's nice and blended out. I'm just going to go in with like a bigger, fluffier brush that's completely clean, just to really buff out all of the edges. Okay, so my camera cut out on me, which is really irritating. Don't know where it left off because I don't know exactly where it cut out. So I guess I'll only find out when I edit the video and watch the footage back. But basically, what I did is I put Reflects Teal glitter on my eyes. I used the Too Faced glitter glue to stick that on with. I did use like a really fluffy brush to apply it just because I really wanted it to be like a bit softer. I didn't want it to be like really harsh. And then I've also just popped some lashes on. These are from Prima Lash and they are the style Goddess. So I'm going to do underneath the eyes now. So I'm going to use Feline again. I also put this in the tight line as well. I've just put Feline in the waterline and I've also just put it on the actual lower lash line as well. And then I'm just going to use a pencil brush. I can't talk. I'm just going to use a pencil brush. I'm just using that same large one as last time. Going in with the shades I used on top basically. So I'm starting off with that dark one, which was Atlantic Blue. I'm just going to put that on the lower lash line. So just blending that out. And same brush, I'm also going to take Electric Eel, which was that brighter and lighter blue. I'm just going to do the same thing with that, just keeping it a little bit lower so that I've got a nice like fade of those colours. And then using that brush we used Chrome Yellow on, I'm going to go in with that, a little bit more of Chrome Yellow, and also just apply that as well, just so that everything matches. And I probably, when I do my skin, won't have the eyeshadow coming down this far. I'll probably put some concealer underneath and blend it back up a little bit. We shall see. So that's the eyes done. So now I'm just going to move on to brows, and then after that I can do skin. So for brows, I'm going to start off with the False Lash Maximiser. I use this all the time in my brows. It's brilliant. Love it so much. Makes them really fluffy and also just stay in place like literally all day. And then I am going to go in with the Prowess by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Auburn, but I'm not going to put too much in because I don't want them to be too overly drawn. So I'm just going to do the sparser areas. So now that I've finished my eye makeup and my brows, I'm going to do skin next. I'm going to start off with MAC's Strobe Cream. This is in the shade Peachlite. I mean, you know the deal, everything like almost, I use this in almost every video. I say that like I've been like really up to date with it, which I haven't, but like even my old ones, I've always used Strobe Cream. It is only moisturiser, it's not a primer, but I just like to use it as a primer as well. And now I'm going to go in with foundation. So for foundation I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Natural Beige, which yes, it's a little bit dark for me, I want to blend it. Don't like being pale, I need a tan, basically I need a tan. And I'm just applying this with this Spectrum brush, no idea the number, I think it's DO1, it's completely one off. But yeah, I'm just going to apply this with the Spectrum brush, it's just like a buffing brush. These are my favourite types of brushes to apply with foundation with personally. You can see how dark it is on me, so I am going to blend it down my neck. I just need to get a tan, guys. Or apply fake tan, but too late for that. I've got my foundation on. I hope it's looking a little bit better now that I've blended it down my neck, but I don't really care. I'm going to go with the concealer. I'm just going to use the MAC Pro Longwear. This is in the shade NC30. I'm just going to pop a little bit of this underneath my eyes just to, well, brighten and conceal. I don't really take foundation up to my eyes because I feel like it's just too much product, so I just leave that for concealer instead. And I'm just applying this with, it's another Spectrum brush, I have no idea what number it is. It's just like quite a fluffy one though. I'm just going to apply the product quite low to start with, and then when there's less product on my brush, I'll start to blend it up near to the eye. And I'm not going to go in with powder today, I don't think, not with setting powder anyway. So next I'm going to do bronzer, so I'm going to use the NARS Laguna bronzer. Looks like that. I've hit pan on mine, clearly, but you know, it's such a nice bronzer. And I'm just going to apply this with the MAC 140 brush, which looks like this. It's like a really big, fat fan brush, basically. And I'm just going to apply that to the hollows of the cheeks. And also around the hairline as well. Look, I know this is not to everyone's taste because obviously it's like bright on the eyes, but very heavy on the skin. So I get that it's not everyone's like cup of tea, but you know, I enjoy this makeup. I enjoy all types of makeup. It's just nice to have like play around with different colours and different textures every so often. So yeah, I really like this look personally. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. I will list everything that I've used today in the description box. I'm sorry, my dog's barking because I need to probably hear Daniel doing the grass as well, like cutting the grass. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about all the background noise. But yes, so let me know what you think in the comment section. I'll list everything into the description box down below as well. And also let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Obviously I will be doing like more natural looks as well. I just like to mix it up and just do something really bright and colourful and fun as well. I feel so sorry for Oscar, so I'm going to quickly wrap this up so I can go and give him a kiss because I've still also got to film my intro for the video as well. So I need to go and give him a call, so bye guys!